Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is insert drawings into a Google Doc. The drawing feature in Google Docs is found under the Insert command. You can use the drawing feature to add a text box, insert an image, caption a picture, add a whiteboard, or even add a graphic organizer. Open your Google Doc as normal. Click on the Insert command, Drawing, and then New. It will open up your drawing pad. To add a text box, click on the T for text box. Type in your text. To add a picture, click on the image icon. You can upload an image. You can select an image by URL from your albums from Google Drive. You can even drag an image here. I'm going to search for an image in Google. Select the image and click on Select in the blue box beneath the image. The image is inserted in the drawing pad. Click Save and Close. To add a whiteboard, click on the Insert tab, Drawing, New, and this gives you a blank whiteboard. You can add whatever text or shapes that you need. This is the line command. You can add lines, arrows, elbow connectors, curves. Let's add an arrow. And you can add shapes. Let's add a shape. And when you want to add handwriting, you click on the line command, add scribble, and add handwriting to your image. Click Save and Close when you are finished. You can use the same shapes and images to add a graphic organizer to your document, such as in this example. It's just a series of shapes and text. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.